artificial intelligence research dates back decades. In fact, 1952 was some of the first AI's mathematics was developed that still powers some of the artificial intelligence application that we run today. But what's changed right now? To see that, we'll go to the next slide. Um, Next slide, please. So, if you have seen that now there are three things that have happened. One of them is that we have much larger data sets available. We have digitized almost everything about the world. We collect a lot more data right now. It's not just CCTV, it's not just your phone traffic. Amazon employs engineers to just look at the buying traffic. If you are aware of some of the like what the engineering jobs in Amazon entail, is looking at the traffic of the buying, like what people are buying at every point of time. And then we have developed technology to easily collect and store the data. And we have also improved technologies on graphical processing units. You have heard of CPUs. Previously, we only used to talk about your computer. Used to talk about the RAM, and we talked about whether you have 2 GB, 3 GB, or 6 GB RAM, and that was all about CPU based. But we have developed these graphics processing units which can massively parallelly do operations that CPU was not capable of doing. And the evolution in GPU technology has happened over the past decade or so. And then you have new improved softwares that have come in. TensorFlow, if you know, Google distributes it freely. You can build your own AI with just a little bit know-how, and they actually tell you how to build your own AI. That TensorFlow software actually runs on those graphical processing units in your laptop or on your computer. You can yourself be an AI expert if you decide to put some time into it. And that accessibility and the advance on technology that has made AI solve problems that we thought AI would never solve before. In fact, if you know that you know that you can do Google image search. If any image that if you have an image, you can right click on it on your computer and you can ask Google to search that image, and it finds a similar image or finds the label for that image. You can try it out right now on your browser. If you have an image open, you can right click and try to search for that image on Google, and Google will put a label on it. And behind that, there is some certain AI technology or machine learning algorithm that is involved.